Today's hike starts here behind the slab. It's the connection trail, the purple trail on the map. So we're going to follow this old logging road up the hill, onto the flat, past Frog Pond, and on to Antler Springs. This is the first turn above the slab as you hike up, looking back into camp, and the logging that was done here just to take out some hazard trees a few years ago. The road continues up this hill. So we took that left and we're here at the junction with the other side of Sunshine Trail. The post is in the pot, that marks Sunshine Trail. And if we want to go up to Antler Springs, we're going to do a little downhill and keep hiking. This is an interesting spot here on the road, the Frog Pond Road. We are looking at a big boulder that's been scraped many times by the excavator. It kind of looks like it's got hieroglyphics on it. There's where we came from, down that little hill, and we're looking into the bottom here where our ephemeral pond, Frog Pond, is. It's not pondy right now because this is the fall, but in the springtime there's water in there and lots of habitat for salamanders and frogs. It's pretty brushy to get in there. The best time to go would be early spring before the leaves all get out. But anyway, that's where we are, and we're going to walk on toward Antler. Here we are above Antler Springs. The vine maple in the drainage is starting to turn red. This spot is surrounded by fairly big fir trees. We want to keep going up this little section of road, which gets a little bit steep, but nothing scary. And we're on our way to the top of the Sunshine Trail. So we just came up the purple trail from that road and that past that big stump and before that Antler Springs. This view is into the Max Creek drainage. It's steep. It's to your left as you climb up this hill. The trail keeps going into the sword ferns here and connects to Sunshine in maybe 2/10 of a mile, 1/10. I haven't measured it, not very far. And this is our view from this particular flat spot on the hillside. Just thought you might like to see that. This is the access point for that purple trail. I'm here at the top of Sunshine just as we start down into Max Creek. But the yellow sunshine on this tree and these two logs are the beginning of the purple trail, and next year we'll get some signs up.